audible? I hope I'm completely audible to everyone. Right? Chalo. OBS was not showing me actually. That's why I've just double checked. Now, Sindhya, am I audible? Am I audible currently? Okay, now, yeah. So the OBS was not showing actually. That is why I double checked. Chalo. Let's start with our session. So again, this is the live mock. First of all, before I start, the first question I'd like to ask everyone, how was the mock, sir? How was the mock? Everyone who have taken the mock, how was it? It was okay, I hope. So this mock, it is a very standard mock, not very difficult. No, not this is very simple. Dekhoge kar doge. It was not like that, but again, it was not very difficult either. First question, sir. 25 men completely uh, build a wall working for 40 days. After working for 24 days, 35 more men joined. Acha sir. In this situation, I told you, you need to make your equation on remaining total work. So remaining total work from both the situations has to be like the same. So remaining total work, sir, 40 days was total work. 24 days they have worked. So remaining will be 16 days work. 16 days work. For how many men? For 25 men. So every day they do 1 unit. So 25 men does 25 units into, sir, remaining, sir, 16 days work. This will be done by some in T days, by some how many men, sir? 25 was already there. 35 more men have joined. So total now 30 and 30, 60 men, sir. So they are asking now what is the value of T, what is the times? Calculate kar lo. 5 fives are this. This is this. Sir, 4 threes are this, 4 fours are this. So T is 20 by 3 or 6 whole 2 by 3. Sir, wahi answer. Option A, sir. Option A is the correct answer. Very simple. Nothing extravagant. Jaldi se chalo, sir. Let's move on to the next question. Sir, a sum becomes this much in 5 years, this much in 6 years, consecutive years, compounded annually. I told you, either it has to be in compound interest, either it will be consecutive, or it will be some multiple. 2 years, then 4 years, then 6 years, like that. Or 3 years, 6 years, like that. So it's consecutive means, please understand, sir. Use the method of difference. Amount after 6 years, that is 5430. Now, amount means what, sir? Amount means what, sir? Principal plus interest for 6 years. And 5 years means, sir, it will be principal plus interest for 5 years. That is 4525. Use the method of difference. Use difference, sir. This is 0.5 here and this is 9 here. 905 rupees. So this is interest for 1 year, 6 minus 5. But again, in compound interest, every year it actually changes. So this 1 year is which exact year? So remember, sir, this is interest for 6th year, the last year, sir. This is 6th year interest, sir. Now, 6th year interest, on to calculate that, what is principal? Sir, amount after 5 years is the the principal for 6th year's interest. So this is now my principal, sir. Amount that was after 5 years. So what is the percentage, sir? By 25 percentage ke liye, sir, into 100. So it's very simply 5 times, sir. So 520s are this. 20% is the rate of interest. Now they are asking you something. What is the simple interest on this? 7.5 years. 7.5 years for 20, meaning, sir, 150%. Sir. Meaning 1.5 times of 6 for 00. 32 add kar do, sir. 96 will be the answer. Option B, 9600. Option B, 9600 is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very simple stuff. Correct? Very simple. Again, anyone having any doubts, feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free to ask. Sir, chalo. A retailer purchased a batch of goods for this many rupees. Okay, due to manufacturing defect 10% were damaged. Okay, so undamaged will be, sir, 90% into, now retailer wants to make a 30% profit. Acha, so meaning his SP will be, sir, 130%. Sir, yahi mera answer hoga. You can calculate, or rather percentage gone means 2 zeros gone, another percentage gone means this. Now, if you don't want to do all this, multiple se bhi check kar sakte ho the options. It will be a multiple of 9, it will be a multiple of 5, it will be a multiple of 13. Checked by anything. Sir, all the options are multiple of 5. No need to check. So, ye 9 se karo, sir. 7, 5, 12, no, sir, this is not a multiple of 9. 8 plus 2, 10, this is not a multiple of 9. This is a multiple of 9. This is 12 and this is 15, sir. 27. This is also multiple of 9. Now check for 13. Sir, very clearly this is not a multiple of 13. So yahi mera answer ho sakta hai. I don't even need to check. I don't even need to check, sir. You see, not everything you need to do completely. Like sometimes using some simple logic can also give you answers. Sir, this is what sum of digits of the smallest number, which when divided, sir, very, these two are kind of giving it away ki this is a LCM case ka question. This is a case based on LCM. But there are two, and LCM mein there is only one. This is the special case where you get multiple remainders. But always I told you, if you see this, so the difference between these two will be always same. 24 minus 10 is 14. 32 minus 18, you see that is also 14. And it will happen, it must happen, otherwise the question itself is wrong. So if you do that now, always, sir, take the LCM of these two, sir. Sir, ye dono. Sir, it is 20, so 96 is the LCM. And whatever is this common value, na, just subtract. And this is the only case in LCM where you need to subtract. Sir, ye aayega aapka 82. They are asking what, sir? It's a sum of digits. 8 plus 2 is 10, sir. Option B is your answer. Option B is most definitely your correct answer. Like, very, very, very simple stuff. Very, very, very simple stuff, right? Anyone? Anyone having any doubts till in the first 4-5 questions? Please ask, sir. Please ask. Otherwise, I'll move on. चलो आगे बढ़े. सर ये क्या है? Circular race. Sir, circular race, opposite direction. These two main key points I've like seen. Right? Meet again for the first time, meaning any, like I've told you, there are two types of meetings. Rather three types. One is meeting at the starting point, second is meeting at any points, and third is number of meeting points. So this is the second case. It is like anywhere they are meeting. So it is relative velocity, relative speed q per sir. So total is 1240. Now they are opposite, they are moving in the opposite direction, means, sir, the relative speed will be plus. So this is, sir, very clearly 100. But again, sir, this is in meters. And sir, the answers, options are in seconds. But these 100 is kilometer per hour. Kya karoge, sir? 5 by 18. 5 by 18 means it will go up. 0, 0 gone. Baap re. Acha, nearest to the whole number. Sir, ek kaam karte hai. 525s are this. Just keep this in mind. Ki thoda humne aisa kiya. 25 into 16 is 400, 450 by 10, sir. वही सर, ask 45 seconds के आसपास will be the answer. अच्छा, 45 itself is the answer or in the option. वही nearest बोला, so other 44, 46 ऐसे type का कुछ answer होता. Actually the answer would have been a little less, 45 से a little less, because you see 124 we have considered to be 125. But again, for like just a little bit less than 44, 45 should be the answer. But again, as that is there, so our calculation becomes a little easier only. Sir, how to solve these questions? मैंने हजारों बार बोला है, this is a plus b, a plus minus b plus minus c whole square का formula. Sir, always make your whole square. Take everything to one side and make your formula or make your whole square like this. Just a second. ये कहाँ से क्या आ गया? Just a second. Chalo. So a square and 6a, meaning sir, a square and this will go this side becomes minus 6a. So meaning whatever happens, sir, I need to put a plus 9 because you see a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 6 by 2 will be what, sir? 6 by 2 has to be a minus something whole square, and from there you will get a equal to 3, sir. Similarly, 4b square. With that, you need this minus 16b will go that side and it will become plus 16b. And sir, it will be what, sir? It will be what, sir? 16b means this is 2 into 2b. 2 into 2b meaning it will be another 16 actually. But again, you don't need this. ये calculate नहीं भी करोगे तो चलेगा sir. All I need is this. It will give me 2b plus 4 equal to 0 because whole square will be 0. So b will be, sir, minus 2. If you can think like this much you can think, that's over. Again, so c square, and this will come this side, it will become c square minus 10c, sir. From here I can directly write c has to be 5 because 2 into 5 gives you 10. Sir, ये तीनों add कर, they are asking 3 plus 2b means minus 4 plus 5. That's the answer. 5, 3, 8 minus 4 is 4, sir. That's your answer, option number B, sir. Hopefully you understood this. If you don't, if you haven't, please let me know. और कुछ नहीं, if you do this now, honestly, yep, like this whole thing will be on, if someone wants to know how did I do this, it is a minus 3 whole square plus 2b minus 4 whole, sorry, 2b plus 4 whole square plus c minus 5 whole square. That will be equal to 0. The next line from this line. You can do this. B value, yes, definitely, brother. चलो और एक बार देख लो. Sir, B value के लिए ना sir, you see what we have. We have 4b square. चलो, let me write it once again. And this minus 16b will come this side. It will become plus 16b. सोचो sir, if you take a 4 common, b square plus 4b plus what actually gives you a whole square? You see, if I put 4, this is b plus 2 whole square now, brother. This is, you see, 4 into b plus 2 whole square, or if you want, you see, from there only I've written b equal to minus 2. And like first time what I did not take this 2, like 4 common. 4, if you want to put this 4 back into this, if you want to put this 4 na, back into the square, it will be what? 2b into 2 2s are 4. Sir, वही हमने लिखा था, 2b plus 4 whole square. Clear? Clear absolutely? Panmay, clear? Absolutely clear, I hope. Anything, any issues you have, please ask. Please ask, sir. Perfect. Chalo, done, sir, then. Done. I'm hoping you understood. Chalo. Sir, answer क्या था? 4 था ना? हाँ, चलो. A is 90. अच्छा, ये दो दिया है. Sir, it's very simple. The answer is this into this. Again, you might say, sir. Again, you might say. Second. You might say, sir, how? I'm giving you away like the basic. I'm not solving it, but again, the answer in this situation, this is 90 degree and these two parts, this is the in circle. If this is given, so area always is 5.4 into 4. So it is 20 and 1.6. 21.6 is the answer. Now you might say, sir, why? This is a very valid question. You see, if this is 5.4, can I say this is also 5.4? Because from the point B I have drawn two like kind of tangents. Similarly, if this is 4, this is also 4. And if you take this as x, this is also x. So you can figure out the equation x plus 4 whole square, the base square plus height square will be, sir, x plus 5 by 4 whole square. That will be equal to this thing, sir, 9.4 whole square. So either say you will get the value of x from this equation. And if once you know the value of this x square, the value of x, then you see half into base into height will give you the idea. That's the big way. But again, if you draw this, if you just draw this, so from the rule of like similarity, you can remember this result. This is a result, very, very interesting result. Perfect, very interesting. If you know, it is a 10-seconder. And if you don't, then it will take you a little bit of time. Let me say this. 21.6 था, ये देखो option D में बैठा है. Option D is already giving us the answer. Moving on, sir. Sir, iska bhi shortcut I have taken in this channel only, in my geometry series. I told you, if you see a sawtooth structure like this, towards this side, anything towards this will be sum of the anything towards this. So this angle is always 53 plus 47. So answer is 100 degree. The answer is very simple words में sir 100 degree. ये देखो बैठा. In this channel only a month or so back, I don't think it's a complete month year. So I have taught this. Still the recordings you will get in the channel live section. Sir, 18 stands for 3 root 2. 72 is 6 root 2. 98 means 7 root 2, sir. 49 2, sir. So this is 7 plus 3, 10, 16 root 2 left side, sir. Into m, it is 96. They are asking m. Sir, this is 6 by root 2, meaning m is 3 root 2, sir. 6 by root 2. You know, na? This is 3 root 2, sir. How, if you want to know, 6 can be written as, if you're not very familiar, you see 6 can be written as 3 into 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. By root 2, if you take, cancels. This is 3 root 2, sir. Perfect. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. I hope it is absolutely clear. I hope this is 100% clear, sir. Chalo, moving on. Moving on, sir. अरे sir, ये तो बहुत ही simple है. Sir, if you guys remember, I told you p cube plus q cube or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. ये हम क्या लिखते थे, sir? Or rather, I should write with p cube. P में है तो let's write it like that. P plus q plus r into, it was p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. Now this thing I've told you, this thing can be written as sum of 3 squares, and I've shown you we get a result from there as well. So this can be written as half of p minus q whole square plus q minus r whole square plus r minus p whole square. Correct? This is how we can do it. Now this step you put values. Normal step में बैठा होगे तो all the best. So you now put the values, sir. P plus q plus r. 7 3s are 20, 100 देखो. 17 to 3, 210. 7 9 6. So 7 and 9 are 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. So it is 32 23. 2 3 3 2, sir. Into, this is 1 by 2 into, let's see, p minus q. P minus q is 2, or rather minus 2, but square hai to doesn't matter. So 2 square minus 2 square, anything is 4. Q minus r, 3 square, meaning 9, sir. And r minus p, that is 1 square, is 1, sir. That's my answer. Thoda calculate kar lete, sir. 11 2s are 22. 13 meaning, sir, 6. 6. Correct. 1166 into, sir, how much? 14. That will be a big calculation. And you see all the options are 4 se hi khatam. But again, we have to do it. So last 2 digits are different for all. Last digit, first things first, option D cannot be the answer because 6 4s are 24. Answer will end in 4. Answer will end in 4. Now you can check for divisibility rules, but again, I don't think that will be of much help either. ये भी बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल तो होगा नहीं. तो लास्ट 2 digits देख लो सर. 6 4s are 24. This is 6 1 2, sir. 2 4 से end होगा sir. 2 4 से anything, sir. Option C is there with 2 4. So that is your answer. That is your answer. But again, if you want to calculate the entire thing, please do. But again, I have just, so the, you see 4 4 3 4 2 4. So I got ki the answer is 2 4. So I'll do that much only. I will do that much only, sir. Time and work का एक question है, sir. Let's see. Sam can complete a work 36 in 36 days. V is, acha, 80% stands for 4 by 5. This much more efficient than Sam. So Sam, if I say efficiency 5, Veer ka 4 more. That means 9, sir. So efficiency ratio is this. Total work, how can I figure out? Sir, because I know how many days Sam take, 36 days. Sam is doing 5 units a day. So total work will be 36 times 5, 180 units. 180 units. Now, they started together, but we left the work after 9 days. Read this, I told you, read between the lines. Read this line as they both work together for 9 days. Now, if they work together every day, they are completing 14 units and they have worked for these many days. Correct, sir? So 126 units of work is done. 14 nines, sir. So how much work left, sir? 130 says, sir, it will be 50, 50 and 4. So 54 units of work is left. This is remaining. Now, who will do this 54 units? Sir, Sam alone will do this. Efficiency 5. Time will be, sir, 54 by 5. Sir, 5 se multiply meaning, sir, into 2 into 2. 108 by 10, that is 10.8, sir. 10.8 days, option C is the correct answer. Option C is your correct answer, sir. Very, very, very simple. देखो, ये तो बिल्कुल ही सीधा साधा क्वेश्चन. ये क्या है, सर? एक सेकंड. In a company of a certain number of employees, if one employee weighing 56 kg is added, then the average weight of the employees increases by 1. One more employee weighing this much is added, the average weight increases by this. Acha, over the original average, मतलब पहला का average. Acha, what was the original average? Sir, ये अच्छा question है, like 2 situations. So the basic way of solving will be वही multiply करो. 2 unknown 2 equation आएगा. But again, this, if you go like that, the solution will take at least couple of minutes. बड़ा होगा solution, because 2 unknown 2 equation we always try to avoid, right, for bigger equations. Sir, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाएंगे, sir, in these situations ना, you see, added weight is 56 and 52.4. Which is smaller, sir? 52.4 is the smaller value. Correct, sir? This is the smaller value of persons who have joined. But again, in both cases, what has happened? The average went up. Meaning before they had joined, the average weight was less than this smaller value. Because average agar kam hoga. If the average was less, then only after joining joining of a heavier person, the average will go up. So meaning my answer has to be less than 52.4. क्या क्या eliminate हो सकता है? Sir, B eliminated, D eliminated. Sir, it's better. So once you see, like always take a call. If you can only eliminate one option, then again it's better to go वो 2 minute वाला solution. But as I can see, I have been able to eliminate 2 options. So it's better now to go with the options rather than solving the question. Rather than solving the question, it's better to go with the option. ठीक है? चलो समझते हैं sir. Let's take. Sir, let's take, if my answer was 50 kgs, now if one employee of 56 kg added, so meaning this employee is how much heavier than the average? 6 kg heavier. And सबका weight कितना बढ़ रहा है, sir? Everybody's average weight is getting increased by 1 kg. That means how many people was there in the group? 6 people. But again, 6 people in the group, including this new one. So initially there were 5 people in the group. Initially, that group had only 5 people, sir. Now just cross check. Just cross check, sir. So that means 50 kg. 50 kg was the weight, sir. Average weight for 5 people. Right? Now what happened, sir? Now one person having the weight of 56 kg have joined. Plus, second situation where another person having weight 52.4 kg has joined. Now, what will be the average, sir? Divided by 7. So it has, let's see कितना आता है सर, 250 plus 50 50 meaning सर 50 into 7 350 ही ले लेते हैं सर, plus 8.47. So ऐसे करो सर, इसको सर 50 आया, and this is how much sir, 7 12s are this, meaning 1.2. Yes, it's the correct answer. Why? You see in the question also they are saying 1.2 kg weight बढ़ गया. So it is your correct answer, meaning if my answer is 50, then only the like you see what I've done. I've started checking with the first one and ended with the second one. And it is kind of satisfying. So that has to be my answer. That has to be my answer. Again, let me say this. It is very, very tricky to do it normally. So बहुत बड़ा, दो unknown, दो equation, that will not be a very pleasant sight. Clear, I hope. I hope it is clear. Percentage distribution of this total is given, ratio of number of employees 88 in 91 together. So ratio पूछा है तो I don't need this value. That's total value is completely irrelevant. So I can just go with this. I can just simply 1988 is orange and 91 is this orange and this total is 42 sir. Ratio. Employees in 1990, that is this sky blue 25. Sir, we cannot cancel. ये कैसे भी cancel नहीं होगा, यही आंसर है. यही आंसर है 42 25. वो देखो ऑप्शन ए में बैठा है. That is there in option number A. So that's my answer. That is my answer, sir. Clear everyone? I hope. I hope it is clear. I hope it is absolutely clear, sir. Chalo, next question. Question number which? 64. Chalo. We have to pick up the pace a little bit. We are going a little slow. चलो थोड़ा जल्दी करते. 25,000 voters, 80% voted, 3% invalid, 96% valid. Remaining were shared equally by two losing candidates. Okay, a loser candidate, it's a very bad language. Losing candidates. And winning candidate gets 75% of the valid votes. अच्छा, how much each losing candidate will get? सर ये तो एक लाइन में बनेगा सर. 25,000, how many voted? 80%, meaning 4/5. Out of that, valid votes 97 by 100. So this is the valid votes. Whatever distribution between losing and winning candidates, it will be done only based on this. Only based on this, the winning and losing decision will be taken. Now, sir, winning candidates got 3/4. So meaning the losing candidates both together have got 1/4, 75%. So बाकी लोगों को 25% मिला. Now, if both of them has got equal, so each of them will have half of these votes. Sir, अभी थोड़ा multiple check कर ले. Multiple. अच्छा, before that, now let's cancel whatever we can cancel. 5 into 2, 10 and 100, meaning 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, gone, sir. Acha, my answer will be 25 times 97. Sir, we don't need to check anything. ये बहुत simple है. Sir, 2500 minus this 2425. देखो ना आंसर है क्या? ये देखो ऑप्शन है. If it was a bigger calculation, then again it might have made sense कि थोड़ा like calculation multiple check कर लो, but again here it doesn't make any sense. अच्छा, good question, sir. Similar question have been asked in CGL, CHSL both. सर ऐसे सिचुएशन में सबसे बढ़िया तरीका क्या है ना सर? सर take any two. Take any two. I'm taking these two first and compare them, sir. कैसे compare करेंगे? सर 3/4 and 15 by 16. Sir, you can multiply 4 here, multiply 4 here. Either you can do this or you can like do the zigzag जो मैंने दिखाया था. But again, it's very simple. So 12 by 16 and 15 by 16. कौन बड़ा है सर? Definitely this was greater. So all the options should have this. चलो check करते हैं सर. This option is having this. It might be the answer. This option is again opposite. नहीं हो सकता सर. Sir, over here again opposite you see. ये greater है. नहीं हो सकता. Over here again opposite sir. नहीं हो सकता. That's my answer. That is my answer. I don't need to even like look for whatever the other two values are. Whatever the other two values are. But again, एक second. हाँ ठीक है. I don't need to check for whatever the other two values are. क्योंकि भाई देखो, अगर इफ देयर वाज अनदर ऑप्शन which was having kind of like 3/4 is less than 15/16, tab I need to check the others, but again all three options are getting kind of cancelled away here, so that will be my answer. और कुछ नहीं करना सर. चलो, ये क्या है सर? अच्छा, दिस इज, किसी ने मेरे को बताया सर बैच में आज, one question was wrong. Most probably this was the question that person had sent. Let me check ना एक बार. चलो पहले निकाल लेते हैं सर. Average speed in last 5 hours. Last 5 hours means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. So distance given. So this is 80. 80 and 50, sir, 130, 145. So average speed will be this. So 29, sir. 29 is going to be the answer. Option में है क्या? हाँ सर है. हाँ सर है. तो ये सुबह मैंने को क्या किसने बताया? आई एम क्वाइट सर्टेन यही वाला आंसर. Like in the morning they have to, like someone in the paid batches told me कि सर ये थोड़ा एक क्वेश्चन गड़बड़ था. याद नहीं, पता नहीं. चल, अच्छा, how many cities there are, cities are there that shows 50% or more increase in the sale of pens? Acha, like the language is not really correct. It should be like the number of books sold will be 50% or more than pens. ठीक है, मतलब the thing is that, अच्छा sorry, 50% or more increase, meaning ultimately, अच्छा, pens should be greater than 1.5x of this. 780 से greater than 1, 780 का half कर लो सर. 0.5 is 390. So if you do this 10, so this is greater than 1000. ये नहीं है सर. 920 half is sir 460. So 920 and 460, this is 80 and this is 13. So 1590 is greater. And ये तो sir more than thrice. This is more than twice. ये तो होगा ही. So 3 of the cities shows more, like greater than 50%, meaning the number of pens sold is greater than 50% of number, like, or rather greater than 150% of number of books sold. So 3 will be the answer. 3 is going to be the answer. 3 cities में ये हुआ है. Sir, इसको. Sir, either you convert this into, the base must be same. You must convert the bases into a same thing. इसको और थोड़ा बड़ा कर. Sir, you see, 64 and 16 and 4, you can convert that into 2, but again I can see ये 4 से ही काम बन जाएगा sir. So this is 4 to the power 2x because power is multiplied, and so this is 4 to the power how much sir? 4 cube into this, so 4 to the power 3/4, and sir a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So powers get added and this is equal to 4 to the power 3/4. सर ये तो पावर, सो 2x is 0, x is 0 सर. x का वैल्यू सर 0 आ गया ऑप्शन सी. ये देखो 10 सेकंड का क्वेश्चन. इट वाज अ 10 सेकंडर सर. इट वाज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ 10 सेकंड्स. उससे ज्यादा 1 सेकंड भी नहीं लगना चाहिए था. चलो, ये क्या है? अप्रोक्सीमेट एरिया. ये क्वेश्चन जब भी दिखता है ना मेरा दिमाग खराब हो, क्योंकि ये लाइक वी कैन नॉट डू लाइक यूज एनी शॉर्टकट्स. मल्टीपल ऑफ पाई मीनिंग 11 वगैरह कुछ नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज अप्रोक्सीमेट दे दिया है. Uniform width of this much surrounding a circular park of diameter this. So radius will be what, sir? 75 meters. Sir, meaning they are asking, this is a circular path, like park, and it has a particular thing like this. कुछ एक like uniform width का path है. They are asking what is the area of this path. So I need inner and outer radius. So this is 2.5 meters. And sir, the total park is 75 meters. So this outer you use like with the like road or path, it is 77.5 meters, sir, the radius. So area of the park will be 22 by 7 into r square minus r square. So this thing square 77.5 square minus this. Sir, use a little bit of logic. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b. So a plus b will be 152.5 into, sir, a minus b is 2.5, sir. बाप रे, ये जाएगा क्या 7 से 7 to 14 55 वही कुछ आसपास आएगा. लेट्स सी सर. 7 2s are 14, 12 sir. 7 1s are this, so 55. 7 8s are 56. Let's take it कि पूरा ही जाएगा. सर 5 5s are this, 2s 2 से 11 10 रखो सर. So 2 18s is 1090 into 11 by 10. सर ये आंसर क्लोज टू 1200 है क्या? वो देखो है सर. It is very close to 1200 because this is very 1100 and 1100 is 11 square is 121 by 10 why sir 1200 something. So my answer will be option A, sir. Definitely 100% my answer. Very good. चलो चलो सर. चलो सर. चलेगा चलेगा सिंधिया चलेगा. चलो. Two boats M and N travels with a speed in still water. So both the values of X is given and speed of stream Y is also given, sir. Then what is the ratio of distance covered by M in 2.5 hours in upstream? चलो. अच्छा. M का sir this, speed is this, stream is this. So upstream will be, sir, speed will be 12 into distance is speed into time. Speed is 16 minus 4 into time, so 2.5 hours. And 4 hours downstream. Then ratio of distance covered both M in upstream and downstream together. Up downstream में 4 hours into speed will be what's 16 plus 420. Correct? So ratio of this to distance covered by boat N in 3 hours downstream. 3 hours downstream means 20 plus 420 plus 4 hours upstream means 420 minus 416. Sir. चलो कैलकुलेट कर लो. कैलकुलेट कर लो सर. सर 12 2s are 24 6 30 30 and this is 80 110 11 multiple. Sir, both options can be correct. Let's see. Sir 72 and sir 64. Sir last में 60 72 and 64 13 138 sir. 68 है क्या? Sorry. एक second. 3 4s are 12. Sir 136. 136 sir. Sorry. सर ये करोगे तो 55 ratio 68 दिख रहा है सर. Correct? So 68 meaning option C is the answer. Option C is most definitely your correct answer. Perfect. चलो सर. अच्छा. A cube is melted into 7 small spheres. बढ़िया. सर क्यूब का side. So volume is this. That is the value of A only they are asking. It is equal to 7 into sir sphere का volume melted and recasted. This means the volume remains same. इसी को पिघलाया गया, उसी को like कुछ और casting दे दिया गया. So 7. So this is 22 by 7 into 4/3 pi r cube. R cube is this. So 3 cube by 4 cube. वही तो है सर. सर एक काम कर लो. अच्छा बढ़िया सर. Sir, it's 1/3 na. Meaning A will be what, sir? A will be this whole thing to the power 1/3, sir. If I just get rid of this. So you see, I don't need to calculate square root or anything. Just sir, ये 9 है ना. So like 27, sorry, 27 meaning it's a multiple of 27, or you can also say ये 3 से कट जाएगा तो it will become 3 square. So 9 का multiple check कर लो ना सर. Not this, not this, not this, यही एक है, यही एक है. It has to be the answer. It has to be the answer. Perfect, 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 sir. Hopefully it is done. Hopefully this is done, sir. Chalo, let's move on. Let's move on, sir. Question number 72. अच्छा, एक छोटा सा चीज मैं बताऊं. अच्छा, this is a good question. You see, if you don't know how to solve this, normal solution of this is a question of advanced identities. It will be done through sums and products transformation. Sums and products का problem है ये. Because you see, they are not like, the values are not really very like kind of helpful. बहुत कुछ बहुत helpful है नहीं, तो ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ करेगा. So again, a little shortcut, let me say this. In this situation, add, you see, there are only 3 like values mentioned in terms of angle: 78, 47, 55. You see again, 47, 55, 78, same values. Add them, na sir. ये add करो सर, कितना आ रहा है सर? 90 and this is sir 180 आ रहा है सर. I can see this is 180, sir. 5, 4, 9, 7, like 16, and sir 8, 7, 5, that is 20, sir. 160 plus 20, that is 2, like 20. So total is 180. Remember, sir, 3 angle theta plus phi plus delta. If this is equal to 180 degrees, sir, then cot theta cot phi plus cot phi cot delta plus cot theta cot delta, that is always equal to 1. And same happens to tan as well. Tan में भी same चीज होता है sir. Tan theta tan phi, remember this, याद रख लो. And tan phi tan delta plus tan theta into tan delta. This also becomes 1, but not with this condition. उसका condition क्या होता है? Theta plus phi plus delta is equal to something else. And what this something else is, that you need to comment down below as a homework. Sumit, yes, ये short trick है. So this is something I want everyone to answer in the comments. There is one particular value, ठीक है? Like for which tan also like gives this. But again, what is that? That I need to ask. And again, for this question, the answer then definitely is 1. Because you see, like dono do karke, if you take multiple and add, the answer is always 1, sir. The answer is always 1, sir. And what is the value for theta plus phi plus alpha? You need to comment down below. That's one simple homework I've given you. Sir, इसका क्या है sir? Sum of length of RS and ST. ठीक है, चलो थोड़ा इसको बड़ा करते हैं. Sir, both are equal. QS is given. अच्छा, QS means this total is given, sir. That is 28. And ST by PQ is given. It is 3 by 4. ST, अच्छा sir, बहुत बढ़िया. Sir, let's take ST as 3x, PQ as 4x. Simple words में. Sir, this is 3x. Now, from any point you draw two diagonal, like two tangents, they are equal length of them. So the SR is also 3x. PQ is given as 4x. So this is also 4x. So total is 7x equal to 28. You see from here एक line में sir x का value 4 है. अभी पूछा क्या है sir? RS plus ST. RS plus ST meaning sir 3x plus 3x. They are asking you 6x का value. So 6 4s are 24. That's the answer. ये देखो एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन था. It was a single liner. It was a question of single line. Option D is the answer. Next one, sir. अरे अच्छा easy question last में दिया है. 50% means half, meaning 50% half of this 60. 2/3 of this 320. So 20 into, so this is 40. Sir. Minus 10 110 आंसर 160 सर, ये है 20x और कुछ नहीं छोड़ा ना हमने। दिस इज माइनस 15 170, हाँ सर 160, बढ़िया सर। 20 कॉमन लेके काट दो सर, दिस इज 8, 22 सर, दिस 120 माइनस 8, 152 इज द आंसर। सॉरी, अरे 152 मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी सर। सर 120 minus 8 is 112 sir. That's the answer, option number C sir. Option number C again, ये अगर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे देन माइनस करोगे अगेन यू विल मेक योरसेल्फ इनटू, यू गेट योरसेल्फ इनटू ट्रबल। 20 से पहले ही काट दो सर, बहुत काम का चीज है ये, छोटा छोटा चीज है। सो अगेन वी हैव रीच्ड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। सर ये क्या है? ए साइन थीटा इज हाफ, मीनिंग सर थीटा इज हाउ मच? सर एनीबॉडी विल से ये 30 है सर, and the cos is half, anybody will say this is 45, sorry 60 degrees। सर दोनों को सम कर दो a and b सर, a will be 90 by 245 and b will be the rest, that is 15। ये देखो खत्म, 45 15 ऑप्शन नंबर बी में बैठा है। ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दिस इज योर करेक्ट आंसर सर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 75। नाउ my final verdict sir, this was a standard and moderate paper। it was not like a बिल्कुल सीधा देखो कर दो ऐसा टाइप का नहीं था। but again I'm talking only about the maths part of this, but again it was not very difficult either। so you could have easily scored anywhere between 40 to 45। ये तो आप बहुत आसानी से स्कोर कर सकते थे। But again, if you have scored, I'm not asking your marks individually, but again, if you have scored, and if someone here has scored more than 45, then I should congratulate you. Very, very, very well done. बहुत बढ़िया. You are exactly, you already have 1 foot like through the door. Keeping in mind, बाकी subjects भी proportionately ready है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि you only know how to solve maths, GS, GK में आप पूरा zero करके बैठे हो. That should not be the case, right? So that was it then. अच्छा पनमई, अच्छा it's okay, it's okay, you see scored big score, I'm giving you a number, that doesn't mean कि if you have scored a little less than that you should be deserted। it is not a very simple case। remember, it's okay to score less if you are willing to work on your mistakes। जो भी आपने गलती की हो, 2-4 जगह पे ये शॉर्टकट्स चाहिए था, like if like you are willing कि ठीक है I'll learn from my mistakes and I'll move ahead, absolutely okay। that's the spirit, that's the attitude that is required। okay, so again thank you so much for joining। I will again see you guys tomorrow with a practice set on average as the series that I'm running। so I will definitely be seeing you guys again at the same time of 5 p.m। till then, take care everyone, and if you have loved the solutions, love the techniques, please do hit the like, share it, and if you have any feedback, any comments, feel free to use the comment section for that। Now again, I have asked you one question, please give me the answer to that in the comment section। so again, thank you so much, take care, I will see you guys tomorrow, bye bye, good night।